Namaskaram. Now, I am teaching Uttita Ekapadangushtasana. Uttita means same. Ekapadangushtasana. Ekapada means one leg. Angushta means head toe. By holding head toe, you will practice this asana, hence the name. Uttita Ekapadangushtasana. After some time, in final stage, you can hold the foot if possible. This asana improves the balance of the body and stretches the muscles of the thighs and calf muscles. You will get walking ability. This is an essential asana for gout problems. Gout in the sense calcium deposit in the joints. Essential asana for gout problems. In this asana, blood vessels are stitched, so they become strong. Essential asana for men. It cures swelling of the cells of the testicles. Now, I'll show you warm-up exercise for preparation of Uttita Ekapadangushtasana. First, should stand like this. Try to take the right leg up as much as possible. Touch the knee to the shoulders if possible. See, like this. Practice 10 times. Then repeat the same thing with the left leg. Like that. You should practice 10 times the left leg, then repeat the same thing with the right leg. I'll show you Uttita Ekapadangushtasana part 1, 2 and 3. Before doing these 3 asanas, you should do stretching. Should do like this. Should take like this. Then keep your left leg on the wall like this. Should keep it like this. Then try to stretch as much as possible. Like this. Then place the foot on the ground. You should place your right foot on the ground. Stay for some time. Then take the left leg down. Then repeat the same thing with the right leg. First, place your right foot on the wall. Then strip the leg as much as possible. Keep the left foot closer. Then place for some time. Breathe normally. Then exhale and take the right leg down. Relax for some time. Now your body is ready to do Uttita Ekapadangushtasana. It takes some time. In the beginning, it takes 1 week. Sometimes it takes 2 weeks also for stretching. After that, you get Uttita Ekapadangushtasana final stage easily. Now, I'll show you Uttita Ekapadangushtasana part 1. Should rest your right palm on the waist. Keep the left knee tightened. Lift the left leg. Hold your left leg head toe between the left thumb and the first 2 fingers. Inhale and raise the left leg up. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then exhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Next is Uttita Ekapada Angushtasana part 2. You should hold your left foot by the right hand like this, strip the left leg front like this. Then exhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I show you part 3. Should take the left leg like this, hold the left foot, strip the left leg front. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then exhale, come back to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Initially, you can take wall support. Then you can practice in the middle. Practice Uttita Ekapadangushtasana in a sequence and get all these benefits. Happy time.